Hello again, Spark owners. This is how you remove your back seat. Whenever you're trying to clean underneath or whenever you're replacing the fuel pump, you grab the edge of the seat and lift it up quickly. Push it towards the front, raise the rear like so, and as you can see here, you see the carpet and you can lift that. Underneath would be the hidden cover for the fuel pump. Returning it, you just slightly tilt it like this and then push down and you're done. On the driver's side rear seat, you would remove the seat basically the same way. You just need to pull up, raise it, and move back, and there you go. Again, just a reminder, again, just for cleaning or replacing your fuel pump. And then tilt it and press down. You're done. Next time, I'll be replacing the fuel pump. Just watch out for the video, and if you like this video, just subscribe.